Ding 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 ding. Today I'm preparing a healthy and nutritious low-carb, high-protein meal, 1 skillet, ready in 15 minutes. The chicken paprikash with mushroom and onions. Give it a try. Let's go! One of the mushroom fly out, ran away. So after searing the chicken, I use the moisture from the onions and the mushroom to scrape off the brown bits or the fond from the bottom of the pan. Then I add in the paprika and the chili flakes and I saute them slightly till aromatic before adding the beef stock and yogurt. I mix them until they combine evenly and I bring it to a slow simmer. So this dish traditionally uses sour cream, but I'm using yogurt to substitute as a healthier option. It still gives that acidity and tang to flavor the sauce. After, I'll add back the chicken and just slowly heat it through for about 4 to 5 minutes till the chicken is fully cooked. And then we are ready to serve. So this Hungarian chicken paprikash is actually more of a peasant dish that started in the early 18th to 19th century. So it's a very simple dish that is flavored with paprika and traditionally it's served over egg noodles. Today I'm actually using wholemeal pita bread because I like to mop up the sauces with the bread, but it's entirely up to you. You can choose to have it with rice or some pasta on the side. Howche, you can come and take a look. So the sauce is starting to thicken slightly. Another 3 to 4 minutes and then we can check the seasoning and we can garnish and serve. Don't need any additional seasoning. It's just nice already. I love it. And now, it is time to serve! So flavorful. The creaminess and tang from the yogurt really elevates the whole dish, and you can taste the gentle heat of the paprika in the background. Scooping up the sauce with the pita bread is my favorite way to eat this. Damn shook. I do hope you give this dish a try. And if you like to see more quick and healthy recipes like this, do let us know in the comment, like, share and subscribe. Ding!